Da blows! Hey! As we dey go Wembley Stadium this Sunday, make una know say na we go carry this Carabao Cup. Man City don win us 6-0 for Premier League. Dem think say Sarri born a wash. But we go show them say no be play we come play for these finals. And to all our fans we don't lose hope for Sarri ball, make I tell you now, Sarri ball don't win Man City before. We go win them again! Hey! It is not about the players playing the ball. It is about the Sarri ball.
What do you think will be the outcome as Sarri faces Guardiola in the Carabao Cup finals on Sunday evening at the Wembley Stadium? Let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more animated football contents. Thanks for watching.